Hi, greeting to all. I'm Mr. Matthew, and today we are going to learn how to classify quadrilateral. So, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with exactly four sides. Here you can see some quadrilaterals. So, we are going to learn the properties of some quadrilaterals here. So, first one is kite. Kite has two adjacent sides, they are equal. So you can see here, these two adjacent sides are equal, and the other two adjacent sides are also equal. And when it comes to opposite angles of kite, they are also equal. So this one is equal to this one, and the other two opposite sides are also equal, and the diagonals are perpendicular. So this one and this one, the diagonals make 90 degree, so that's perpendicular. So these are some properties of kite. Now let's look at the next one, trapezoid or trapezium. So trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. So when it comes to trapezoid, we need to discuss two definitions. The first one is inclusive definition. Inclusive definition says trapezoid has at least one pair of parallel sides, and exclusive definition says trapezoid should have exactly one pair of parallel sides. Does it make big difference? Yes, it makes big difference. At the end of the lesson, I will discuss about it. Now, let us look at the third quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. So these two are parallel. The other two sides are also parallel. And you know that they are also equal. You know, the opposite sides are also equal. This one is equal to this one, and the other side is equal to the other one. And we can also see opposite angles are also equal. So this one is equal to this one, and this angle is equal to this angle. I hope you learn some properties of parallelogram. Now, let us look at the next shape, that is rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. When you are talking about parallelogram, you know the sides are, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so these two are parallel. So, what is the next property? All angles are 90 degree. So these are all exactly 90 degree. That's a property of rectangle. And what about the diagonals? Diagonals need not be 90 degree. It may not be perpendicular. Now, let us look at square. So when you are looking at square, you can see square is also a rectangle with equal length, or all sides are congruent. So these are all equal and these are 90 degree. So square is also a rectangle. Square is also a parallelogram. Now let us look at the next one, rhombus. What about rhombus? Rhombus is actually a parallelogram. Okay, what is the only difference between rhombus and parallelogram? Rhombus should have equal sides. Okay, all sides are equal. But parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. So for example, when you are talking about rhombus, this should be 5 centimeter. If it's 5 centimeter, all other sides are 5 centimeter. 5, 5. And but about parallelogram, maybe for example, it can be 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and this can be like 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so that's the difference. So I discussed earlier that we will be talking about what is the difference the exclusive definition and inclusive definition makes in the case of trapezoid. So I will ask you a question here. Parallelogram is a trapezoid. Is it true or false statement? It depends on the definition. Am I right? If it is inclusive definition, then parallelogram is trapezoid because at least one pair of parallel side. If you are using exclusive definition, parallelogram is not trapezoid. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Like, subscribe and share this channel.